Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto noodles. Boil your pasta to al dente, saving 1 cup of pasta water. Blend basil, garlic, pine nuts, parmesan, and olive oil until smooth. Toss pasta with pesto and add pasta water a tablespoon at a time until creamy. Finish with lemon zest and extra cheese. Serve immediately for best texture and flavor. Combine basil, garlic, pine nuts, grated parmesan, lemon juice, salt, and olive oil in a blender or food processor and pulse until almost smooth. Scrape sides and add a splash of pasta water if needed. Taste and adjust lemon, salt, or oil to brighten or smooth the sauce. Remember, a little acid wakes up the basil, while reserved pasta water binds the sauce to the noodles for silky coating. If you're enjoying this pesto noodles guide, please like and subscribe to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, smart mapping, and hands-free crumb pickup. Make it a kitchen sidekick. It's a handy time saver after cooking, so you can relax sooner. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil and cook your chosen pasta 1 minute shy of package directions so it finishes in the sauce. Scoop out 1 cup of the starchy water before draining. Return hot pasta to the pot, add pesto, and toss vigorously while adding pasta water slowly until sauce clings smoothly. Serve with extra cheese and cracked pepper for contrast and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.